Hi, in this video I'll be walking you through my parametric modeling process for a Sport Palace dome structure. This dome is made of two downward curving arches forming a synclastic surface. Within this main dome, each segment is made up of smaller surfaces which resemble hyperbolic paraboloids. The intricate geometry of this design was what led me to choose this building for my parametric model. To begin the modeling process in Revit, I used the mass in place command to define the boundary of the dome. This was based on drawings that provided the angles from the center of the spherical surface. And I started by defining the boundary using two perpendicular work planes, which helped form the shape of the roof. Next, I subdivided the surface into vertical and horizontal rows, defined as an instance parameter for further changes. This grid allowed me to place individual panels within each segment, and after this, I modeled the 3D panels themselves, ensuring the flange panels fit correctly within the subdivisions. To make the panels more adaptable, I created a curtain panel adaptive component family. I designed both the metal frames and the parabolic surfaces for the panels. A challenge I encountered was aligning the panels along the z-axis, as the curved panels didn't fit properly, so I solved it by using ref points with a custom offset instead of relying on ref planes. Then I added several parameters to control the model. This includes parameters for visibility, thickness, height, and material properties. These settings makes the model flexible, allowing for adjustment for various design or construction needs. And then after defining the main roof shape, I modeled the side columns and the bases. And using Revit's array tool, I distributed the structural elements evenly around the dome. And for the external walls, due to their unique form, I built a custom family and positioned it to match the required wall shape. For the interior, I had to make another RVT project, and then I'll link that in the external model file. Inside, I designed a circular seating arrangement typically for an auditorium. And for this purpose, I used a railing component with a stepped profile to quickly place the seats along the wanted path of the auditorium layout. And then finalized by walkways and lighting fixture, and then you see the further details of surrounding added. Now I wanted to show you these are 4 different shapes of the dome that were generated by changing parameters in the model. And lastly, I used AI to generate variation of the dome. First, I asked to change the roof pattern, and then material, and finally added some external lighting. Thank you.